airplane, the airplane. Ooh. Okay. Okay, go on your rug. Go lay down outside. Good girl. Stay there.
I am careless and I'm lost, 'cause she's left me with eyes far too lost. I have stumbled.
The plane. That is one thing I will not miss is the loud planes, because we are near an airport. Also right by a train station, so yeah, it gets pretty loud here. Cheers and good morning from a hot and sunny Tucson. This is our last day here. We're actually going to leave today. I'm drinking my lemon water. At the last casino that we were at, Roger gave us these huge hand-picked lemons from a local orchard. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you, Roger. I really appreciate those. Anyways, yep. So I'm gonna get my day started, of course, with lemon water, and then I'm gonna juice something a little later. I actually have to open up my juicer. Finally, I've just been buying juices at like different little shops, but yeah, it's time to go ahead and unbox that and start to juicing. Ugh. All right, cheers, everyone. Here's to good health. Ooh, I definitely need some makeup. Much better. Now I can get my day started. Gotta get rid of some trash before I get on the road. If you're wondering, I use the small Walmart bags. I reuse these so that way they don't go to waste. And also they're easier to get rid of in the trash receptacles, better than having a big old huge bag. Come on, I gotta throw some trash away. Good girl. Here it is. So these trash receptacles are basically everywhere. They're easy to find, and if you have small bags, then they're easier to get rid of, and they fit better in here than those big huge bags. I don't know about you, but I know I have tons of plastic shopping bags because you get them all the time unless you're in California and they charge you for them. But yeah, I have tons of them, so I just keep them in the little bag collector and use them as trash bags, also potty bags. All I have to do is put my bike up there and I'll be ready to travel.
When I see you, my heart feels like a sinking stone. I know I need her. I'm not sure if she's coming home.
So Romeo and Charlie are ready to get on the road. I haven't heard anything from Danny or Dana, Steve, and the children, so I told the children that I was leaving, so they can just always catch up if they want to. So all I have to do is let Sal and Sharon know, and also Terry and Scott. Come on, Moo-moo, walk with me. Good girl. Knock, knock. Hello.
I didn't take the face off.
Do I? Listening to this loud airplane?
It's a jet, hon.
Yeah, I know. Jet, airplane. What? Oh my, are you kidding me, lady? She's like hiding her face. I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm going to be leaving here in 15 minutes. You know our destination, right? San Simon rest area? That's the stopping point, the midpoint between here and Las Cruces.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah, we're gonna stop there and stay the night, just so that we have a stopping point. But I'm actually gonna stop in Benson at the Walmart to San Simon rest area.
Okay.
And I'm gonna stop in Benson at the Walmart. It's 45 minutes from here.
The Walmart is?
Yes, and
Okay.
I'm gonna do that and do some shopping and stuff because there's nothing in San Simon. So if you need anything, you might want to stop at that Walmart in Benson.
Okay.
Do some shopping and then carry on. San Simon
San Simon.
rest area.
Rest area.
She's alive.
Yeah, I finally fell asleep around 5:30.
Oh no! Do you know that we're leaving here in 15? But
Okay,
I'm going to the Walmart in Benson because there's nothing in San Simon, so
No, there isn't anything in there.
yeah, at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little stalking before we go. But I mean, we're going to Las Cruces the next day, but I still just want to stop.
No worries. No, I'm ready to rock and roll. It's all
Okay.
packed up.
So cool.
Okay, see you guys there.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So y'all have the destination. I mean, you know, the points and everything. So you can stop at the. There's only one Walmart in
Do we
Benson.
need to stop at a laundromat and do a load of laundry?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure there's probably, if we want to do some stuff, I'm sure there's stuff in Benson.
Okay.
Because it's a little small. If it has a Walmart,
Okay.
it obviously probably has a
Okay.
laundromat. So,
Okay.
and it'll probably be easier than Tucson's a little big. So whatever y'all want to do though.
Okay.
Okay. So
Who
Way out
is?
here?
so I'm leaving
Going
here in
right
about. I'm leaving in about 15. I don't know. Whoever goes
Oh, okay.
goes.
Is
So.
Dana going already?
I think she's still asleep. She'll probably just meet us there.
Oh, okay.
They've been sleeping a little late.
We stayed up late for some reason. I started watching Blue Bloods,
Oh.
cop show or whatever.
Right.
And so I was like, oh, okay, at 10 o'clock it's over. Okay. Oh, another one's coming on. No, next thing I know, it's 1 o'clock.
I've done that like a marathon before. I'm like, oh my God, it's late.
Okay.
Girl, what you got going on
Well,
there?
because my sciatica is giving me problems.
Oh, jeez. That looks like an alien. Ah! E.T. phone home. Oh, my God.
Right?
Jeez.
So Scott has been rubbing my sciatica with this.
Oh, that's awesome. You feel
And it
better?
has heat in it too. So yeah, I woke up this morning and we did it yesterday and he did it this morning before I got out of bed and it's feeling a lot better.
Good.
But I'm gonna wear a skirt today so I don't have any pressure on my hip areas
Right.
while we travel because that's hard to travel when you're
Right, and
in pain.
sitting in one spot, so.
Yeah.
All right, get it together, sir.
I'm on it.
What are y'all going to do? You going to stay here?
We might stay or go back towards Phoenix.
Okay.
But
Well, this place is, I mean, you know, if we had more time, this place is really nice. I mean, y'all should just enjoy it here. They're really nice here.
I want to thank you for having us
Oh,
join the group.
yeah. It was nice having
You
y'all.
guys again. It's been fun. I know
Well, we're going to Colorado later, so after Texas. So just hit us up. You have our numbers and stuff. So.
Yeah, and we're we have to go north in the summer, and
Right.
then, we're gonna get back with the tribe again at least in
Right.
the fall, but hopefully sooner.
Oh,
But
cool.
it's been fun.
It
You know,
has
I know
been
we're-
fun.
I know we're kind of hermits, but we just between
It's
editing.
fine. Everybody's different and stuff. So, but we'll see you later.
Okay.
Safe travels.
You too.
Bye. She's alive! Alive! Is the sun too bright for you this morning,
Yes.
ma'am? I'm gonna need you to get it together.
I was gonna wipe my
Oh,
feet.
girl, you got some bed hair going on there. Okay, well, we're leaving here in about 5-10 minutes. Are y'all
Okay.
gonna be able to do that, or?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm stopping in Benson Walmart to just do some shopping because there's nothing at all in San Simon,
Okay.
the rest area. So yeah, let's do some shopping and then we can move on.
Okay,
to...
if you need to leave before us, we'll just meet you at the Walmart.
Okay.
Benson?
Benson Walmart's about 45 minutes. From
Okay, perfect.
here. Okay, awesome. Can I have that back? We're still tethered together.
Yes, it didn't work last night.
Oh, what? You didn't tell me to turn it. I didn't turn it
So
on.
I needed to sleep anyway.
Oh,
I was
okay,
like,
sorry.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Thank you. You gave me the night off. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I can't forget about my little welcome mat / Moo-moo's mat. Inside.
South Nogales Highway, South Tucson Nogales Highway.
All right, everybody, you know what time it is.
Sheridan South from S&S and the RV Cats. Onward Bound.
Thanks, y'all. Let's keep going.
I'm not sure if she's coming home. All alone, I'm not sure if she's coming home. All alone, I'm not sure if she's coming home.
right, well, we got here to Benson. Oops, let me stop that. And we are going to just chill out here for a little bit, and then when it gets later in the day, move on to San Simmons, because it's a rest area, and all we're going to be doing is stopping to sleep and then carrying on to Las Cruces. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Banjo! Banjo! Been here about 20 minutes and everybody's starting to get here. Yay, the tribe has arrived.
So
what did you have to tell me?
Well, I posted a picture of you and I and Scotty at that park where you were bunny earring us.
Yes.
And one of my girlfriends said, she looks like your daughter.
So you go from my sister to my mother?
I go from your older sister to your mother.
No.
Yes, we look a little bit alike, but I am not your mother.
No.
I will be your traveling sister.
Yes, my mother is a lot older than you.
Much older. Aja and I are only a couple of years difference.
Yes, we are. I'm gonna go inside Walmart, do some shopping, I'm gonna go into Walmart, do some shopping, and look around. I'm gonna go into Walmart, do some shopping, and take a look around. What you laughing at, lady, huh?
I'm laughing about how many takes that just took you.
I know, 3 takes.
To get out. I'm going into Walmart.
I know, right?
And how many times have you gone into Walmart?
None.
On camera.
Oh, on camera? This will be the very first time.
On camera?
No.
Are we gonna head down the road and go, because I want to get air in the front tires. And
what are you making?
A sausage sauce with some pasta. I think you're doing your
sauce with some
sausage
pasta?
sauce with some pasta.
What is that? I've never heard of that before.
We'll do a little family gathering. Tina's bringing the garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Are you bringing the garlic bread, girl?
He'll sting you.
no, they won't.
No.
Not unless you're aggressive.
Hi.
Are you bringing the garlic bread?
I'm bringing garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Yes, ma'am. What's that?
How about this?
Oh, cool.
Honeybee. Honeybee.
Dana.
You're way too old for that, sir.
Ridiculous.
I just realized that I was sitting here looking at this, and I'm like, wait a minute.
I lifted him up and put
Well, you are small, and you do fit, so.
Let's go, baby.
Well, I'm done shopping, and I stocked up on food and some other RV supplies, so I'm good. We're gonna go ahead and head to a city park, which is right down the road.
Are we heading out?
Yeah, we're actually gonna go to a city park.
Oh, okay.
And then we're gonna go from there, because the kids want to play for a little bit.
Park and then we have to get gas.
Yeah, and then we're gonna head to everybody else has already left. So it's just us.
Well, I gotta get the sauce ready, so maybe it's better. What time you guys want to eat?
Whenever, it doesn't really matter. Yeah.
We just ate lunch, so like,
Yeah.
Late? Okay.
Yeah, like probably around 7-ish, 8. Yeah.
Okay, then I'll follow you guys.
Okay. Let's get going. I'll just follow you over.
When I see her, my heart feels like a sinking stone. I know I need her. I'm not sure if she's coming home. And my heart's like a sinking stone. All alone, I'm not sure if she's coming home. All alone, it feels like a sinking stone. My baby, my heart's like a sinking stone. 'Cause I know she's not coming home.